so I will be showing you guys how I got all of these boxes. Hey girlfriends, it's Gabrielle Ishell here, and today's video is a little bit different than previous videos. I will be doing an unboxing of my Influencer VOXBOX. In my previous videos, some people have asked me how I got VOXBOXes from Influenster, so I will be showing you guys how I got all of these boxes, and I can't even hold them all, but I have a lot. And as you can see in the thumbnail, I'll put the thumbnail here. But yes, I have a lot. So first off, what is Influencer? It's an app that kind of connects the consumer, which is me, to the brands. And you can give your review of different products that you already have in your house. And then you can also look up other people's reviews of any other product that you can think of. They're usually there. It's an easy way to look to see if something is good for you depending on what other people thought of it previously. So users of Influencer are able to set up a profile, and you fill out things that will ask you questions like your eye color, your hair type, your skin color, your lip size, maybe. I don't know, maybe that's a little stupid, but your lip size, your, I don't know, things, characteristics about you. So you're able to see, like, if I wanted to look up a Shea Moisture shampoo, for example, and someone gave a review that has kinky curly hair, maybe I would consider buying that product because I saw that that girl liked the product too, so I might try it out for myself. Anyways, it's a really cool app. You have to download it, and I will be sharing my referral code down below. It's actually at the bottom of every one of my videos because I do really like Influencer. So Influencer does these things called VOXBOXes, where they give you a box of full-size products most times in exchange for your review, and sometimes your post on social media. So I'm gonna open my VOXBOX that I received this week for you guys, and then give you guys some tips on how to get a lot of VOXBOXes, because I've gotten a lot, and I've been I would say I've been on Influencer for less than a year, almost a year. So let's open this box. I received this the other day, and it came literally like 2 or 3 days after they sent me the email saying that I was in the campaign. So this is the Head and Shoulders Supreme. We can't see the Supreme. There we go. And I'm gonna open it, and the inside is so pretty. Very colorful. And so in each VOXBOX you have this little card, and it says the name of the campaign, Head and Shoulders Supreme. This gold is making it really hard to see. And then on the back it just says instructions on what you need to do to complete your campaign. So it just says log on to Influencer app, and then check the Head and Shoulders VOXBOX campaign, and then you review your products on Influencer, and then you post a picture on Instagram. So very simple and very easy. So that's why I think it's worth doing these. Usually I don't like to do free reviews, but you're just writing a blurb on the app and then also just posting a picture on your Instagram. So why not? Free products. It came with 3 items, and first we have the Head and Shoulders Supreme Nourish and Smooth shampoo, and it has argan oil and jojoba oil. It is free from phosphates, parabens, phthalates, and dyes, and it's 11.8 fluid ounce bottle. So the packaging, just like on the box, it's really pretty colors. And then we also have the Head and Shoulders Supreme Nourish and Smooth conditioner, and it's free from the same things this was free from: sulfates, parabens, phthalates, and dyes. And this is the 9.4 fluid ounce bottle. And then we also got Head and Shoulders Supreme Scalp Moisturizer. It has hemp seed essential oil in here, and it's supposed to nourish dry scalp and help strengthen hair. I am very excited to try these products out. And then I just wanted to show you some of the other things that I got from Influencer. and they are full size items. I think the very first VOXBOX that I got was the Shea Moisture Power Green. So I got the shampoo, I got the conditioner or the restructor, I got the tea tree oil, and then I got the conditioner. And then I got a VOXBOX that had Mizani products, and I like Mizani products. It has the Miracle Cream, the gel, and then the oil. So if I wanted to do a wash and go, or any really style that I can use cream, gel, and oil. Then I got this Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Push-Up Lash Mascara. I also got the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray, and I'm actually wearing both of these right now. And then I got the Royal Oils Nighttime Scalp Tonic Lotion and the Frizz Tamer. So this is by Head and Shoulders as well, and I got this like last week. And then I've also gotten some other things. I don't have them down here, but like food items, like dressing. I've gotten like 5 different like dressings. So it's pretty cool, the things that you get, and then the fact that they're actually, oh, and this too, the Vera Bradley and Venus collaboration. This is the shaving cream. And they also sent me the Vera Bradley reusable razor, so that was pretty cool. And in stores, this is like, maybe this plus a razor is like $20-something. So I really like Influenster because these are products that I probably wouldn't have bought myself, and so now I get to use them and like them, I might actually go ahead and repurchase them. So it's a good marketing skill. Anyways, I just wanted to give some quick tips on how I got a lot of these VOXBOXes. And so I'm going to go ahead and open the app. So the first thing is you want to set up your profile. So when you first log into Influenster, it asks you a couple questions, like well, not a couple, it actually asks you a lot of questions, and they're kind of in-depth to fit your personality. So I would suggest that you be honest when doing this, because it will push products towards you that fit the answers that you provide. I'm going to pull up my profile. So it asks you different questions about your skin, your face, your hair, your household. So if you live alone, if you have a male living with you. Okay, so we'll go to hair, because that's what my niche is hair. So the natural color of your hair, I put dark brown. My hair length was medium at the time. I feel like if you stretch it out, it's still kind of medium length right now. It's not the short. And then I am interested in hair products for curls, damaged, dry scalp, heat protection, and split ends. And then I have my hair type is dry, curly, coily, thick. It was chemically treated, so I'm going to take that off. It's natural. Sometimes I wear braids, and sometimes I have extensions. So those are the things that I put. I'm going to save this because I updated it. And so like this is the household. It has single, I'm not pregnant, I don't own any cat or any animals, what's your occupation status, etc. So that's the first thing. You want to fill out your profile, because whatever you answer here is what products are going to be pushed to you. The second thing that you want to focus on is your impact score. So at the top of my profile, it has an impact score of 1831, which I don't think is that high. I think on the app it says it's high, but I don't really think it's that high. So that comes from connecting your social medias. So I connected my Instagram, my Twitter, I think my Facebook, but you're not able to connect your YouTube for some reason, which sucks because I have the most followers on YouTube. You connect all your other social media platforms and it comes up with a score. And this score, your impact score, is basically saying how many people you can potentially reach by posting these reviews and things on social media. So that's why your impact score is important, because obviously if you have a higher impact score, they're going to want to send you more things because you can reach more people. So that is one thing to keep in mind. And then next we have your snaps. So I'm going to screen record again, and on the profile page, if you go down a little bit, it says my campaigns, and the very first item here is your snaps. So if I click on the snaps, they're in different categories and they look similar to your profile. So I'm scrolling to the bottom: makeup, skincare, hair care. Those are the things that I would like to receive free items for, so I make sure those are up to date. And let's go to the top. Right now, the ones that are open are food and beverages, tech and electronics, kitchen, alcohol. So not really that important to me because my niche is hair and beauty. So let's go to kitchen. For example, it mainly just asks you brands that you've used before in different areas of the kitchen. So for hand mixers, I've used the Black & Decker KitchenAid. And then I will ask you specifically which hand mixers I've used from both of those brands, and then from there you're able to give a review on that hand mixer. So that is the snaps. And then another thing is just to do reviews. So right now I currently have 154 reviews and I posted 62 pictures. I do reviews on products that I already have, so you don't have to purchase anything in order to use this app, in order to get free things. You just review products that are lying around your house. So if I go up in my bathroom right now, there's like 100 of products that I can probably review upstairs. And most of them I probably already did. But anyways, yes, you want to do reviews, your snaps, update your profile, and link your social medias. And so when you do these things consistently, and be consistent on the app. So every day you log in, it keeps track. So right now I'm at 1 day, but once, like if I log in tomorrow, it will be a 2-day streak. If I log in the next day, it'll be a 3-day streak. So it wants to see that you're being consistent on the app, logging in once a day, doing reviews. You can answer questions, you can vote. So doing something like that, or you can ask questions too. As you do a lot of those things and be consistent, it will put you in the running for a VOXBOX. Before I show you the process of doing the surveys to get the VOXBOX, I just wanted to show you the campaign on my phone for the Head and Shoulders VOXBOX that I just unboxed. So if I click on that campaign, it shows me the steps that I need to do. It just says review the shampoo, conditioner, and scalp moisturizer on Influenster. Not a big deal. You can put 2 to 3 sentences and then you're done. And then also it asks you to post a picture on Instagram and post something on your Instagram story. So again, this is not a bad campaign. Some of them you're asked to actually go to that company's site to leave a review on there, or on Sephora, on CVS. Yeah, so this one is not hard at all. Just review the products on Influenster and post a picture on your Instagram. Very easy. So now I just want to show you the process, talk about the process of getting selected for a VOXBOX. So after doing all these things that I just said, you'll potentially get an email and it says, are you the perfect fit for our next campaign? And just says, congratulations, you're on the short list for the next campaign. And then you can choose to opt in or opt out, and it gives you a certain date that you have to do it by. So you have a few, maybe 2 or 3 days to do it. And then it'll take you to some surveys, and you want to make sure you're being honest when you're doing the surveys, because the answers that you choose determine which VOXBOX you get, which campaign you get, and it best fits your lifestyle. So that's why you want to be honest. It is a longer survey, so it might take between 10 to 15 minutes, but 10 to 15 minutes of your time when you're watching TV, it goes by like really fast. So at the end, it tells you a list of all the brands that you may be considered to receiving a VOXBOX for, and then you'll have to input your address and all that stuff. And this is the only time within this whole process that you'll input your address. They don't keep it or anything, so you have to put it in every time. And I feel like that makes me feel safe, because they're not using my address for third-party soliciting or whatever. You input your address and then you cross your fingers, hoping that you get your VOXBOX. And then in a couple weeks, you'll get an email. Let's see if I can find it. Okay, I got an email here on Monday this week. Today's Thursday. I got an email Monday, and then I got the package Tuesday. So that was literally a day after I got the email that I received the package. Wow. Anyway, so I got an email Monday, and it said, "We're excited that you're receiving the Head and Shoulders Supreme Review box. When you get a second, test out your new hair care and complete your campaign." So it tells you the things that you have to do in order to complete your campaign, and then once you complete it, you earn a badge, and you get badges for every campaign you complete, or when you do like a lot of reviews. So I'm a beauty junkie because I did 78 reviews in February. So it is almost a year, February. And then, so these are all the badges that I have for the last few VOXBOXes that I did. And these ones here are, the picture's not there for some reason. It must have, I don't know what happened, but there's no picture there. But yeah, it's pretty cool. I like seeing the badges on my page. And obviously the more VOXBOXes you do and complete, the more VOXBOXes you'll receive. So, oh, one thing to note, you don't have to be an influencer to be on Influenster. So anyone can do it. If you want to receive free products, just sign up. The last tip that I have for you guys is to use your referral code. So if you guys are interested in signing up for Influenster, I have a referral code down below, and you receive so many points for everyone who signs up using your link. So that pushes up your impact score a little bit. So if you guys are interested in using my link, that will help me out, that will help you out. We'll both be getting free products, you know, all that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, it was a little bit different, but I think it's very helpful if you like free things. I know I do. And you don't really have to do much to get them. So why not? Anyways, if you did enjoy this video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. And also click the subscribe button right over there to be subscribed to my channel, and the bell to be notified whenever I post. You don't want to miss any posts from me because I have a lot in store for you guys this year. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.